oxygen on and start pre-oxygenating my patient prior to intubation. I'm going to feel our trachea just to see what my guesstimated size will be. And I'm going to guess a 6.5, but I do have both a 7 and a 7.5 just in case. So while we're pre-oxygenating, I'm going to go ahead and give our pre-medications. We'll flush those in. And right now it is 8:32. So we've got our oxygen on, we've got our pre-medications in. I'm going to go ahead and test my tubes and inflate them, make sure the cuffs are good. All right, so my 6.5 is good. We'll deflate it completely. My 7 is good. No signs of leaking. And then we'll test the 7.5. And my 7.5 also shows no signs of leaking. All right, I'm going to continue to let my patient pre-oxygenate for a couple more minutes, and then we'll be right back. All right, it's been 5 minutes. It's about 8:38 at this point. We started oxygenating at 8:32. So I'm going to go ahead and measure my tube here down to the thoracic inlet. All right, and I'm going to go to about 22 centimeters here. So we'll mark that area with the tube. And I'm going to go ahead and start inducing my patient. And check and make sure that my patient is asleep enough. And we are. Can we pass me a orange scoop? Here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and lubricate my tube. Thank you. I got some sterile lube on my endotracheal tube just to ease with intubation. Alrighty. Alright, we're going to make sure we go to that 22 mark, which is right here. And then ensure that I feel it. I feel the tube right at the thoracic inlet. Go ahead and secure the tube in place. Okay, get my patient into position here, and I'll get us hooked up to oxygen. go ahead and inflate my cuff here. And then I'm going to have my assistant give a couple of breaths so I can ensure that I don't hear any leaking from the cuff. I hear no leaking, but now I'm going to also listen to both sides of the lungs while my assistant gives breaths so I can ensure that I hear air on both sides of the lungs. Okay? Okay. I do hear it on our left lung. Let's check our right lung. Beautiful. I've auscultated both sides of the lungs. You can hear that we are breathing well. The patient is intubated well, and we are going to go ahead and start our procedure.